You may not think of dogs as healers, but now Barbara Matthews is a believer. She witnessed firsthand how Dexter recently changed a patient's life.
He was very anti-social, very fearful, affect, and after throwing the ball with Dexter a few times, he calmed down. His whole presentation altered.
Dexter is more than just a dog, he's a pet therapist, and he helps make therapy a little bit more bearable for patients here.
Whether disabled, elderly, or a child, Dexter helps everyone going through physical therapy. Things that may seem simple to you help teach patients basic skills.
Standing and brushing the dog helps them to stabilize and do more of an activity that they would do at home.
And having a dog there to help give patients reassurance.
It's the unconditional love of the dog. They don't judge anybody. They don't judge them by their looks or if they have any type of handicap or difficulty.
After 7 years, Dexter and his owner, Kit Darling, received recognition from the Med for their work, all volunteer at that.
One reason I really enjoy doing this is the patients, seeing their reaction to Dexter, watching Dexter do his work.
And a positive attitude to keep pushing through the therapy. In College Station, Monica Castro, KAGS HD News.